In this video, I'm going to show you how to code a custom indicator in NinjaTrader. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so NinjaTrader 8 and above uses NinjaScript, which is based on C++. Now, you can create indicators that draw lines, arrows, colors, signals, moving averages, alerts, and much more. So in order to use this, we want to go ahead and open up the NinjaTrader editor. And then from here, click onto new and then NinjaScript editor. So it's kind of near the bottom here. Open that up. Now, once you do that, NinjaScript editor is going to appear on your screen. Then from here, click on the little plus icon on the bottom of the screen, bottom left, and click onto new indicator. Now you're going to get this little wizard that's going to walk you through. So I'm just going to go and click onto next. Now you want to go ahead and give this a name. So I'm just going to leave it as my custom indicator. Give it a description here. So in the description for your new custom indicator here. And click onto next. Now I'm just going to click on generate for now. Now here's the script here. So what I'm going to do is paste in my indicator logic that I've got from ChatGPT. So I'm just going to go ahead and Control A, delete all this. And now I'm going to paste this in. So what this is a very simple indicator that calculates the difference between a fast and slow EMA. So we want to go ahead and compile this. So on your keyboard, click onto F5 to compile, and then NinjaTrader will compile the script. If there are any errors, they will appear in the error window below. So I'm just going to go ahead and fix these errors and then save it. Okay, so I fixed that error. That was simple. I just had to delete line 8 because I didn't need studies namespace because EMA comes from the NinjaScript indicators. So I'm just going to go ahead and minimize this. Now from here, we want to go ahead and open a chart. So I'm going to minimize this, click onto new, click on the chart. And now I'm just going to select the chart here. This one looks good for this demo. Now I'm going to move this chart over. Then from here, click onto indicators. Now do a search for your indicator, it'll just be quicker. So then click onto next, and then you want to go ahead and you can adjust the parameters if you want, and then just click on OK. And then those indicators should be now live on your chart.